Hello, I'm back with another video. It's your girl PhatBaby J. I saw and I conquered. I saw my favorite restaurant, of course you already know, Chick-Fil-A, came out with the new hold on, honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich. Yes, that's right, I had to write it down. I got tattooed on it. No, I'm just kidding. I had to write it down because I forget. I have to remember what did I order, not just like what's new. But before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. It's your girl. All right, so let's see. Don't I look tired? Oh my god, this looks very bad. I look tired. Okay, but it's okay. That means I'm doing it right. I'm working hard. I've been so busy. But anyway, this is the honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich, and my dumbass, they also written right here. Why did I have to write it down? I did not know they hadn't, you know, because usually I could order the spicy chicken sandwich and it comes with a wrapper thing and that's it. But in this case, it came with a box, and this is how it looks like. Doesn't it look lovely? Oh my gosh. That looks gorgeous. Like, come on. Oh my god, I can't wait. So it's honey pepper pimento sandwich. I'm guessing it's a spicy sandwich. It looks like the spicy sandwich. There's only one way to find out. Let's check it out. Other than that, look how juicy and beautiful. Like, all the liquid is coming out of the sandwich. Okay, and it came with they wrapped it up for you too. So let's see. I'm scared. That was good. That was freaking good. The sauce is so good. It's not spicy. And then they have jalapenos in the bottom. You can see that. I didn't try the jalapeno yet. That's why it hasn't been spicy. Let me take another bite. That was good. I fuck with this sandwich. Hands down, like, this is the perfect sandwich. Usually I get spicy. And whatever this is, I think it's regular. It's not spicy chicken. But it's still so good. You don't need it spicy because it's something with the sauce, it's perfect. It gives this flavor. Let me take off the wrapper. I'm about to get down and dirty here. Hold on. Because look how much it came off. Try not to make a mess. I'm probably gonna make a mess. It's pretty darn obvious. Look. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh my god. Let's give it another bite, shall we? That is so good. Another bite. You see the pepper? Oh my god. Yeah, there's like 2 of them right now. This is so good. Oh my god. This is banging. I'm not stopping. You already know me. Oh my god. This is so worth it. Whoever came out with this idea, they're a genius and they know how to eat. So yeah, I fuck whoever made up this idea because it's banging. Okay, thank you Chick-fil-A for changing it up a little bit. Something new, worth it, love it. Did I ever mention I never liked the grilled chicken sandwich? I only ordered once. I don't know if it was the wrong timing, wrong restaurant. I did not like it. And you know me, I like to eat. I know what's good. But yeah, me personally, I didn't like the grilled chicken sandwich. That was like back when I was trying to eat healthy. But that failed, obviously. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my god. If someone looks at me, I'm gonna wave at them. See what happens. Hopefully they wave back. I'm making a mess. Ooh, you know what I could have added? Next time I'll order bacon on it. I'm almost done. It's so cheesy. Look. That sandwich was amazing. And that was satisfying. That was very impressed. At first I was skeptical. I'm scared, you know, to try new things sometimes, but that was so worth it. I might come back soon to get another one of those because that was delicious. And bacon will be added for sure. Bacon. That was so cheesy and messy. That's when it's good. Oh my god, that was good. I love it. You don't even have to put Chick-Fil-A sauce in it. It's just, it's so cheesy. I don't know, I cannot explain it. It's very good. Again, it's the honey pepper pimento sandwich. I love it. Obsessed. Obsessed. I literally was scared to order this. And you know what? I risk it. I did, and it's so worth it, and I'm glad I did. Out of 10, I give it a 10. Literally, I give it a 10. That was awesome. I hope they have it for a long time because it's only limited time, I think. I could be wrong. Let me know down in the comments if you have tried it and what do you think of it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. It's your girl.